What's up, guys? Going to do a little update on my gold collection. Let's look at each piece real quick. Then I'll give you the breakdown of everything. I love silver. Silver's like it's my baby. I love silver, and I only have a little bit of silver, and I will still do a silver update in the future as well. But silver is much more affordable to get into as far as collecting goes. But figured with silver, I wanted the variety, have a little bit of gold here and there, and eventually maybe get like a little bit of platinum. Or even like palladium or something. But anyway, this is what I've amassed in gold. I have 3 of these. Let's see, 1, 2, where's the other one hiding? There it is. Sneaky. I have 3 of these Monarch precious metal gold gram coins. You can see there. Monarch precious metal. Cool little logo with the crown and the P in there. And even though it's a crown, it's 2 M's, so it's Monarch Precious Metal. Love that logo, it's really neat. And on the other side we have a ship. You can see all metals, again, if you don't know anything about it, you know, silver, gold, all that stuff, it will have not only its weight, as well as its purity. Okay, if it doesn't, it's not real. So on top we have 1 gram, its weight. And then its purity on the bottom, 0.999 fine gold. Alright, it's as pure as it gets. This is pure gold. 24 carats. The 0.999 thing, you can't have anything that's 100% pure. Just never going to happen. But of course, with silver, some companies, I believe, I don't want to guess, I don't remember, but there's one that's like 0.9999. So there's 4 decimals there of purity. But it's so minute, it doesn't make a difference. But anyway, yes, I have 3 grams of that from Monarch Precious Metals. And then I have a 1/10 troy ounce coin. Okay, pretty cool. Boulder, you know, stamping on this one. And on the back, different design. On top you see, it says, let me give you a better shot of this. 1/10 troy ounce, and you can see it's a picture of a herring in the grass, if you can make that out. It's pretty neat. And on the bottom it's purity, 0.999 fine gold. Really cool. And we have this one. This is I believe, I want to say Istanbul, let me see, I have to reread it, but this is another gram. This is an ingot, okay, although tiny. It is an ingot, so it's not a coin. It's a actually, I shouldn't call these coins. I believe the technical term, a coin is a currency, whereas this is a round. So it's a gold round. Basically an art piece, not currency. Because it has no value for currency. There's no government that backs that as payment. Except for the smart one, since it's gold. But anyway. Yeah, here's a 1 gram ingot from, I forget, I have to read the top through the camera here. Istanbul, which is pretty cool. Turkish Gold, Istanbul Gold Refinery. And there you go, the weight. Now this is the little assay type card. It's basically the certification there, so you know it's genuine. But a lot of this stuff, it's hard to fake. Some people do, but usually it's in larger quantities, not the gram stuff. But 1 gram there, 999.9. And let's take a close look at the actual ingot. See, company logo on top, and again marked for weight and purity. 1 gram fine gold, 999.9, Istanbul. Pretty interesting. This is the kind of stuff you'll find on eBay. Alright. And these, like when you buy them in grams and stuff, and if you go to eBay to buy any kind of metals, you will have inflated prices. Okay? It's just how it is, but this is one of the more common ones you can find on there. The Monarch Precious Metal stuff, basically you have to go straight to the website to get that. There's no real other place you can get it, at least that I've seen. Then I have an APMEX ingot. Okay, a little APMEX card here. This is how this came, in plastic. And same deal, little 1 gram ingot, APMEX. Let's get real close. Show that. And the reverse side here. 1 gram, and super tiny And Atmex is actually stamping theirs 4 9s. All right, it's a .9999 fine gold. So you know, technically it's more pure than 3 decimals, but it's so minute. I think it's just a technicality at that point. But it's all the same. It's all pure gold, pure as you can get it. And this is sealed, by the way. None of these have touched. Well, I shouldn't say that. These three have never touched human hands, human fingers. Those, I bought them. They were in the bags, but I don't believe I touched them. I might have put gloves on. Doesn't make a difference. It's not going to tarnish or anything. But this one, you know, is still sealed and everything. So that's what that's about. And the last one's pretty interesting. If I can get this back in here. There we go. Last one's interesting. This is the world's smallest gold coin. So it has some, you know, some value as a collectible coin, but I just have it for the metal content. It has a certificate of authenticity on here. And let's look at it together here. I think I've shown this in a past video, but let me take it out. I'll show you both. Comes in a cool little case because it's so teeny and tiny. Look at the detail on this thing being so tiny. All right. And you got Gandhi on there. And this is a $25 coin. So this could be, this is currency, this is a real coin. The back side, just amazing detail. 2001, the Republic of Liberia. Really cool. And your certificate. Alright, there's only 20,000 of these made. Obviously there's the purity. The weight on this is 0.73 grams. Alright, so almost 3/4 of a gram. 2001, you see all, I mean, I don't have to read it, you're reading it yourself. But yeah, if you go to Liberia, all his original intentions anyway, you can use it to spend $25, but that would be silly because it's worth more than that and it's gold content. And then a little thing about Gandhi here, if you want to pause that. Okay, that's pretty much it. And then the little guarantee on the back, that's from the American Mint. See you guys soon. Take care.